why Mamelodi Sundowns decided to sack Manqoba Mngqithi and appoint Miguel Cardoso as the new head coach of Mamelodi Sundowns, given that Mamelodi Sundowns are number 1 on the Betway Premiership. And also, they are second in their group of the CAF Champions League. So yeah, it seems like issues at Mamelodi Sundowns, they run deeper than that. So issues started when Mamelodi Sundowns lost to Stellenbosch in the semi-final of the MTN 8, where they were unable to score even a single goal in 2 legs. And then yeah, the second one is when they lost the Carling knockout final against Mngqithi. Yeah, in a game where they absolutely dominated, but Mngqithi took their chances and won that game 2-1. And then yeah, recently Mamelodi Sundowns drew 2 games in their CAF Champions League group. Yeah, and one of them was at home against Manyema, where Mamelodi Sundowns were expected to win comfortably. Yeah, and also it seems like Mamelodi Sundowns supporters were not happy with the performance of the club. Even though they were winning some games, the performance was far below of what we are used to at Mamelodi Sundowns. So yeah, here's what their sporting director Flemingberg says. He said the mandate for any head coach at Mamelodi Sundowns is very clear. It's to win every competition we take part in. That's what Flemingberg said. Then the chairman of Mamelodi Sundowns, Mr. Tlhophi Motsepe, said, the supporters deserve a high standard and we have not been able to meet those recently. So what do you think of the words of the chairman and also the sporting director regarding Manqoba Mngqithi? Because his record, if you look at it, it looks good. In 22 games, he won 16 games, drew 2 games, and lost 4 games. And he scored 52 goals and conceded 9 goals. Yeah, and Mamelodi Sundowns have a 2.27 points per game under Manqoba Mngqithi. So do you think that this was the right call that Mamelodi Sundowns took by sacking Manqoba Mngqithi, who has been the sole head coach of Mamelodi Sundowns since the beginning of the season, so about 4 months ago, after they sacked Rolani when they said that he was unable to win the CAF Champions League for them, and also the style of playing, it seems like they were also unhappy with it. So yeah, let me know what is going on at Mamelodi Sundowns, because yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns are known as a team that is trigger happy, that sack managers after a couple of games. So yeah, it seems like something is not right at Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, and also Manqoba Mngqithi was not sacked alone. He was sacked alongside the goalkeeper coach Wendell Robinson and also his assistant coach Romain Folz. Yeah, and then Steve Komphela and Kennedy Mweene, they retained their positions in the technical team. So yeah, here's the new technical team of Mamelodi Sundowns. So yeah, it's Miguel Cardoso as the head coach, Fabio Fernandes as the assistant coach, Pedro Azevedo as the assistant coach, João Araújo as the assistant coach, Steve Komphela as the senior coach, Kennedy Mweene as the goalkeeper coach. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of the changes that Mamelodi Sundowns made to their technical team? And do you think it was the right call to sack Manqoba Mngqithi? And also, do you think that Miguel Cardoso is the right fit for Mamelodi Sundowns and what they want to achieve? There are also reports that former Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Manqoba Mngqithi was fired due to Mamelodi Sundowns players' power and also Mamelodi Sundowns legends. Yeah, so rumor has it that Teboho Mokoena and Khudiso Modau started it and influenced other players. And also club legends were not happy that they were overlooked, and Manqoba Mngqithi hired Romain Folz as his assistant coach. So yeah, what do you think of these rumors that they are one of the factors that got Manqoba Mngqithi fired? And there are reports that Manqoba Mngqithi will land a job in the PSL soon, with Richards Bay really considering him as their next head coach after they fired Brendan Truter. Yeah, so right now the caretaker coach hasn't done a good job since they lost all the games under the new caretaker coach. So yeah, with the massive investment that Richards Bay got at the beginning of the season, it is a possibility that Manqoba Mngqithi might be the next head coach of Richards Bay. So what do you think of that move should it happen?